This video is about how to half cab. It is a request. Thank you for the great requests. So in order to do this, you really need to be able to pump forward and fakie very comfortably, and I think you need to be able to probably at least stall going forwards, like a basic plate stall or front side stall. A half cab is just basically when you're going fakie or backwards in the transition and you just make a 180 and you land with both feet on the coping facing out toward the deck. I think the first step for doing this is fakie 180s. Kevin did a video explaining how to do fakie 180s in a transition, so if you haven't checked that out, please do, because that's like, I think that's kind of like the basic motion of it. I'll show kind of how that goes just for starters. So when I'm skating, I have my left foot forward, my right foot behind, and so I'm looking back over my back shoulder and just turning that direction. So your back shoulder's open, you're looking where you want to go. I just do like a little pop until the toe stop and turn around. Or like you can pick up your feet if you want, do like a little jump as well. Either way, but that's like the main first step of learning how to half cab. I think then the next step would be trying to 180 out onto the deck, like going beyond the coping. So that would be more like, again, looking where you want to go, looking over your back shoulder and jumping out. Like
that looks fun.
If you have one of these railings or something, so you don't go flying out into the rest of the course. But again, look where you want to go and then try to jump up. And that's like kind of giving you the idea of getting out. So after that, you want to be looking more at the coping when you're ready to start landing on the coping. And again, looking back over your back shoulder. You can put one foot on the coping, and you see how I have like one toe stop just below the coping? That was how I sort of started how to learn it. One foot on, one foot below. And then see, I kind of did like a step. I used my back toe stop, and then went, oh look, it's half cab. But like cheater style.
Yeah.
And I'll try again. Eventually you'll get to where you can put both feet on.
Nice.
And those little railings are helpful.
To find that balance point, it seems like, yeah.
Yeah, it's a weird coping because it's reset.
There you go.
Almost. And again.
Nice.
One more.
Good job.
So anyway.
Man, that looks really hard.
That's half cab. Or sort of half cab. Again, like I said, I just like, took me forever to learn this. And I don't know why, I think it just felt totally unnatural. But the more you play with the fakie 180s and airing out and so forth like that, like I think it will get more comfortable, the motion. So hopefully that helps, and please let us know. And please comment, subscribe, thanks.